From prehistoric oceans to outlaws of the Wild West, the Hayes area is rich in local history just waiting to be discovered. To begin your journey, head all the way back to the prehistoric age at the Sternberg Museum of Natural History. Here, visitors can discover the ancient creatures and environments that once covered the Great Plains, while interactive exhibits provide a hands-on look at the area's rocks, fossils, and live animals. Fast forward millions of years, and the plains of western Kansas became the site of historic Fort Hayes, an important military outpost during the frontier era. Today, visitors can walk through the preserved buildings and experience what life was like for soldiers stationed on the Kansas prairie. As Volga German immigrants began settling into the area, they brought their own customs and traditions with them, which can be explored at the Ellis County Historical Society. Visitors can uncover the rich history of Ellis County by browsing the museum's historic photos and archives. Many of the stories from Hayes' Wild West days can also be found when taking a self-guided walking tour through the historic downtown. Along the route, learn the names of Hayes' most prominent figures and stand at the very locations where famous events once unfolded. And each October, some of these stories come back to life with the Haunted Hayes City Tours. The streets of downtown become the stage for dramatic retellings of some of the most famous and infamous legends of the past. Whether it's prehistoric creatures or legends of the Wild West, the story of Hayes is just waiting to be explored today.